Hi everyone, welcome for our volume 3 of Tech Talk sessions. And today's speaker is one of our dev team members. So he's a guy who likes to, watch TV series, watch films, and, likes to do coding as well. And he likes to travel as well, not like me. He's a person who likes to travel a lot. So, and he like everyone else, he's also trying to become a a professional in the software industry going forward. So the today's speaker is none other than Tharunda De Silva. So he will be talking through his topic and the rest of the session going forward. So Tharunda, thank you for taking up this opportunity, and you can start off.
Okay, thank you, Sahan, for the introduction. Good evening, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Let me share my screen first. Okay, first of all, let me go through today's agenda. I'll explain what I'm planning to cover in this session. Today, the topic I chose is the psychology behind addictive apps. Okay, let me go through the uh, today's agenda. First, I'm talking about why this topic matters. Then I'll talk about the hook model, and uh, next next topic is psychological triggers that are used in these addictive apps, and how next one is how app designers exploit behavioral psychology. And next topic I'm planning to cover is when these addictive apps crosses the line. Uh, the next one is ethical design, which I will be talking about how developers can develop their apps uh, in an ethical way. Then I'll be talking about how you can take back control to yourself. That's what I'm planning to cover in this session today. Before going into the first topic, let me ask you a question. Uh, I'll ask it from somebody. Okay, Sachini, have you recently take your phone for a reason and forgot about that reason you take your phone and did end up doing a very different thing at the end? Have this happened to you recently?
Yeah, a lot of times.
Yeah, I think all of you have the same experience. I have this same experience. Uh, I have another question. I'll ask it from I think Yasit. Can you answer this question? How many times you check your phone today without any reason?
Mm, I think I haven't used any special reason. Mostly today I used my phone about 2 hours. I mean, yeah.
Yeah. That means we check for our phone time to time without a reason, and then we don't even remember how many times we used it. That is, we are doing it unintentionally. That actually explains why uh, I chose the next topic. Yeah, the first topic I'm planning to talk about is why this topic matters. Actually, this explained in the previous question answers uh, that I get for my questions, right? The okay, why this topic matters? In the modern world, it is very hard to do our day-to-day task without a smartphone. We have to use our smartphone for various reasons. Today, I'm planning to talk about this topic with two different perspectives. As you all know, I'm a developer. Most of you are here are also developers, and also I'm a user. I use these apps. I think most of you as well use these apps too. First, as a developer, when I'm designing the systems, I need to design these apps in a interactive way. I mean, the users should be interested in using my apps. So I have to optimize my apps to uh, uh, influence the user base. And when I'm using these apps, I have to be mindful how many time I spend on those apps and how can I uh, manage my time. That is that are the two perspectives I'm planning to talk today. Okay. Let me go to the next slide. Okay. Have anyone heard about the hook model? Uh, Anyone here? You can raise hand if you heard about it. Uh, I think no, right? The hook model is introduced by the American author Neil Ayal in his book called Hooked. This hook model is used in many apps to retain users by creating the usage into a habit. This model is not only used in software products, this is also used in various kinds of products and businesses and yeah, in businesses. This model has 5 steps. First, I'll go through the model and I'll use a real world app to explain these 5 steps. First, let me go through the model. Then I'll move to a real world scenario. First one is internal triggers. Why does user come to this product? I mean, in our case, why does users come to this app? Second one is external triggers. Uh, yeah, what gets user to the product? That is the second one. Third one is the action. What users get from this app? That is the third one. Fourth one is the reward fulfilling. Uh, yeah. Third one is the users needs is fulfilled, but it is not completed. Then user have to come back to this product again and again because his needs are not fully completed. The fifth one is the investment. Uh, Fifth one, I'll planning to explain you in a simulation in next slide, so you can get a better idea. Okay. The real world app I used to explain this model is Instagram app. I hope most of you will should already have Instagram accounts. I think most of are using this app. The first one is the external triggers. Okay, let me ask you a question. Sahan, do you use social media apps?
Yes, Tarun, I use.
Why you use those apps?
Mainly when I started, it was to, get in touch with my friends. But nowadays, mainly political stuff to check on what's
Okay.
going on in the country because I
Okay.
never watch news. Yeah.
Okay. That is that as Sahan explained. That is that those are the external triggers. In here you can see boredom. Boredom is a very strong trigger to those apps. And FOMO. Anyone knows what FOMO means? FOMO means fear of missing out. Sahan mentioned he used social media apps to check on his friends, and what happens, we don't use these apps every day. We will miss out things, right? We will miss our friends' updates, likewise. Those are the external triggers that app designers, this Instagram app used to uh, attract their audience. External triggers, and also when we see the notifications in the our notification sections, that also triggers us to go to these apps, right? That is also a trigger. And the app icon is also most of the apps include that notifications, like one note. If you have one notification, it shows you have one or two in the app icon. That also attracts users to use this app too. Those are the triggers that are using in this Instagram app. Second one, the action. The actions mean when you see those triggers, you open this app and you check on, you check on others' post, you like on them, you comment. That are the actions used in this Instagram app. Then rewards. By doing these actions, what you get rewards, right? You get new friends, you get new followers, you meet old friends, as Sahan mentioned earlier. Your boredom is gone. Others like your post. That is the reward you get. Then the investment. Okay, let me ask you a question. I asked it from Praneeth. Praneeth, when you invest something, what you expect from it?
Yeah, I mean, if it is a business, then I'm expecting a profit, or then let's say something else.
Yeah,
I'm expecting a benefit or something.
yeah, you expect a reward, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, by doing those actions in the apps, you get a reward. Your reward is you get new followers, you get uh, new subscription monetizations in these apps, and those are the things you get. I can explain this investment section in a simulation. I'll show it to you. This is a really interesting simulation. This explains how actually most of the social media apps work. You can actually test this from your computers too. I'll send you the link. Just a click me button and in a blank space, right? When you creating a social media account or going into these other apps, in your profile there is nothing, right? There is just a blank space. Not blank space, but there are no posts of yours. Let me click once here. This is like a then you get a 1 point, right? Then let me click. Okay, when I click, there is it is showing you can insert a bouncing DVD icon, but you need more stimulation points. What happens is when you go into these social media apps like that, you post and your pictures, then you get new followers, right? This is the same thing. Let me click again. Okay. See, I use those points to add a icon. Then it shows a new icon too. Then for that one, I need 5 points. Now I only have 4 points. So it encourages me to click again and again and again. This is the same behavior using in those social media apps. What they are doing is, are you guys aware of the verification in Instagram?
Yes.
And yeah, and the YouTube app uses this too. It has a monetization, but you should have at least 1,000 subscribers to uh, have a monetization. And also Instagram app and most of the apps are like that. You have to uh, more invest more and more time to get a reward, right? So that encourages users to spend more and more time on these apps. This is how those addictive apps use use a hook model to increase their user engagement. Okay. If you have any questions about this model, you can ask right now. Okay. Let me go to the next slide. Okay. Next slide is next topic is psychological triggers used in these apps. First one is fear of missing out. If you missed going into these apps one day or two, you will miss a lot of updates. And these as example in the Instagram app, there are stories. They will disappear in a day if you didn't go to that app, and that day that story will be disappeared and you will not see that. So that also encourages users to go into those apps daily. That is one thing using in these apps. And also I'm sorry, social validation and recognition. We all seek approval, right? In these apps, we post our memories and pictures, and we get likes and comments. Those are like social validation. So that fulfills the users need of approval. That is also a way these apps use apps. This is also a psychological trigger used in these apps. And third one is the Zeigarnik effect. Okay, let me ask a question. Nimanta, you are think you are working on a story, right? Then you have there is a blocker in the story, so you have to stop doing that story and move on to a new story. But that previous story is not finished yet. What do you think about that scenario? You forget about that previous story, or is it still in your head? You are thinking about it.
Actually, I'm thinking about it.
Right? You are thinking about it even though you move on to a new story, right? That is Zeigarnik effect. Zeigarnik effect means unfinished task. In the LinkedIn app, you have seen the like profile completion bar. If it is not finished, users are going back to that tab to finish that. That effect also triggers users to go back to that app again and again. Daily streaks in these apps are another example. Next one is endless scrolling and autoplay. I think you all have seen YouTube Shorts and TikTok apps like that. They don't have a stopping point. If we scroll again and again, it will pop up new things. It won't stop. It won't stop. So users lose track of time, and users use these apps for a long time. That is another thing is using it in these apps. Next one is loss aversion and sunk cost fallacy. Okay, let me ask another question. Prasad, this question is to you. Think you invest half of your life savings into a new business. That business is not doing well. What you do next? You give up on that business. So what do you think you will do?
Good question. So in business, actually, we need to understand that if it doesn't work, so there should be a point we need to give up and look into something else. That is the nature of business. So if something is drowning, so we need to have some point that we know, okay, this is the time to leave the ship. So likewise, even though we have spent half of our savings, half of our time, whatever things, my understanding is, yes, there should be a time to stop and look into something else.
Yeah, but you have a hesitation right there.
Yes,
because
of
you
course.
have
Yes, of course.
invested a lot. Yeah, that should be the
That
right
is,
way. Yeah, you give me the right answer, but most of most
thinking will be there. You are correct. I might come to that thinking.
yeah, right thinking is to you should know when to stop. But lot of people are doing is they invest a lot of things into something, and they will hesitate to give up on that. That is the loss aversion and the sunk cost fallacy means if you spend a lot of time in a social media app, you will hesitate to give up on it, right? You will constantly posting things and checking up on it. You will hesitate to give up on it. That that also used in these that methodology is also used in these apps to keep users engaging. So okay, let me go on to the next topic. How app designers exploit behavioral psychology. First one is push notifications. As you see in this picture, if you see a notification in the app icon, near to app icon or your notification section, you will check on it, right? You are curious what is this update, because it is not showing much in the interface. You have to go into that to understand what it is about. So users will open these apps when they see those notifications. That is the one thing designers are using. Another thing is gamification. Gamifications means uh, developers encourage users to interact with interact more with these apps using games. As you can see in the screenshot, this is the Duolingo app. This is a language learning app. This app includes various little games. It encourages you to learn languages using these games. Another thing is personalization. Personalizations mean okay. Let me ask a question from Nimant. Nimant, have you experienced this when you search on something on let me say in YouTube? There is same content will pop up again and again. Have you experienced this?
Yeah, Tharunda.
Yeah, that is personalization. That is if that is another way these designers use to increase the engagement. Another thing is simplified user interface. If the interface is more complex and hard to see what should do to open or do specific things, users won't interact with apps as much as a simple UI design. So these days, designers use very simplified user interfaces to keep users engaged. Okay, let me go to the next. Okay, when this the next topic is when this addictive design crosses the line. First one is the digital addiction and medical health problems. I think first I have to say there should be a limit to how far app designers can use the psychological triggers. When this limit breaks, when this line crosses, serious consequences can happen. First one is excessive screen time can cause anxiety, sleep disorders, and decreased productivity. Some apps use methods like hidden subscription methods, misleading buttons, and hard to cancel memberships. Another thing is most of the apps use your personal data to manipulate the advertisements you see. If you let me say, if you search something on a on the one of these apps, let's say you want to buy a car, it records that your interest, and it will show more and more apps about more and more ads about cars like that. They use your private data to manipulate what you see. That is another thing. Let me go to the next one. Ethical designs. While using these previously mentioned methods, app designers can implement those methods ethically. There are ways to do that. Designers can show usage dashboards in the apps. You can see in the right. This app shows how much time you daily spend on this app. So when users see this number, they can get awareness about how much I spend on this app today. How can I manage my time like that? Another thing is break reminders. If you are using an app a lot of time, spending a lot of time on app, this app automatically show a notification or say something like take a break. Likewise, that is also a good thing designers can use. And also designers can avoid explosive exploitative monetization models. Okay, let me go to the next one. Taking back control. Before taking back control, you should understand what is the problem, right? You should understand if you are addicted to these apps or not. For that, there are a lot of websites you can go to and check if you are addicted to these apps or not. Let me show you a one. I'll share the link to, then you can check it on your machine too. This is the website. This is called Fraudly. In this website, there is a questionnaire. There are 20 questions you have to answer. Then it will analyze your answers and it will show a score. It will show where you stand: low risk, moderate risk, and high risk. Then you can get an idea if you are addicted to these apps or not. This also shows a graph. This graph includes all the users, and you can compare where you sit on this graph. So you can take idea if you are addicted to these apps or not. After you recognizing that, you can use these methods to take back control. Manage your time. First, you can turn off non-essential notifications. This is the main thing that attracts users to open these apps, the notifications. If you can turn off notifications of like social media apps and unnecessary apps, so you won't be attracted to those apps over and over again. And you can remove unessential apps from the home screen. When you take the phone to check the time, and if these apps are in the home screen, you will be opening those apps too. So if you can remove those apps in the main home screen, you can control going into these apps. And also there are app limits. You can set a time limit to how much time you can use the app in a day. There are third-party apps too. There are some inbuilt apps in some systems. You can limit the time you can use these apps. And also you can set a goal at what time you can use these social media apps. So these apps you can say you can use in 2 hours a day, likewise. So that way also you can reduce the time wasting in these apps. Okay. Final thoughts. I have to say the addictive design is not the problem. Why I'm saying this? Can anyone say why I'm saying? I said earlier, this is bad. This design is bad. There are consequences like that. But I'm finally saying addictive design is not the problem. Prasad, can you do you know why I'm saying this?
Yeah, so what I think is when we are designing something, the profit we are getting is when we market it and we make it addictive. It's like drugs. The person who deal the drugs want to sell the drugs. It's not his problem if we are getting addicted to those drugs. That is actually 100% on us. So we need to know what are the boundaries and how to stop and where to stop. So
Yeah,
it's not the design.
yeah, yeah.
They will be designed to get ourselves addicted, but we need to know what is the point.
Yeah, thank you. That's a good answer. And also, if you are selling drugs, that's bad. But if you are selling medicine, that is a good thing, right? Using this design. So if we are using this addictive design in let me say a fitness app or a learning app, that is a good thing. That encourages users to do more exercises, get healthy, and learn new languages likewise. What matters is what we are optimizing our app for. It is a learning and fitness like good purpose. That is a good thing. We are using a addictive design. So after all, I have to say uh, the users, the one should be responsible is the most responsible is the user. You should be aware what we are using these apps for. And yeah, that's my final thoughts about this uh, topic. Uh, yeah, that's all for today's session. Thank you all for listening to me. If you have
Yeah.
questions, you can ask.
Yeah, thanks, Tharunda. It was really a good one. I just have one question, I think, for all of you. So, in terms of this social media platforms, right? Something that I have observed is, I mean, I am only mainly using Facebook, but your generation doesn't use Facebook much. Just wanted to check with you guys, like, is there any particular reason, or do you have an alternative for that? Any idea? Tarun, what do you think?
Yeah, for me also, I'm also using Instagram app instead of Facebook, because I feel Facebook's design is a little bit old. The
Uh-huh.
Instagram app feels like new, like UI wise, and it is more simpler too.
Maybe it's
Okay.
focused on one specific thing. Because
Hmm.
again, the simpler design.
Hmm.
Instagram is focusing on one thing. When we come to Facebook, it's so many
Hmm.
things. Market is there, the
Hmm.
groups, pages, likewise, so many things complex.
Hmm.
Yes,
Any other thought?
all the trending like TikTok mainly focus on one thing, Instagram
Hmm.
again things. All the apps which got trended during last couple of years, they are focusing on one thing and one thing only.
Hmm. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay. Any other questions to Tarun the team?
Uh, I might don't have any questions regarding about the session you have done, but I would like to say I love this session because it's we have psychology behind the apps, and I love the content when it comes to psychology. I don't know why. And yeah, that's what I want to tell. And the session is so interactive. I enjoyed a lot. Thanks for the information. I even tested the test that you given, but it says I had to pay for that, and I can't get the report of my.
That is another addiction, right? Now you have to pay and get it.
Yeah, I'm thinking how to get the report and stuff like that. Yeah, thank you,
Thanks, Ajit.
Sam.
Thank you, Sachin.
Yeah, I mean, I absolutely agree with Sachini. I think what Trevor, you mentioned Tarunda that first example where we had one button and we had to click on to see what's going on. That really proves it, right? Even I felt it to click more times and see what's going on. So really loved that example and all these, like Sachini mentioned, the psychological factors, but at the end you sums it up saying it's not the design, how we use it for good cause is what matters and how we filter it. So all in all, love the session, Tarunda, and I hope you will do more sessions like this in your future career as well. So really good job.
Thank you, Sahan.
Yeah, great
Yeah, I
session,
think
Tharunda.
Thank you.
yeah, I wanted to also say that same. So I think Tarun also did a very interesting topic today. So I think it's very good information. I mean, when we are designing the applications like web or mobile, then I think we need to focus on those areas to get the actual benefit out of it. Yeah. Thank you, Shananda, yeah, for the information.
Thank you, Puni.
Good job, Tharunda, actually.
Thank you. Thank you, Nimanta.
Okay, I think then we can wrap up the session, team. So once again, thank you, Tarunda. So we'll meet up with the next tech call. Yeah, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.
Thank you.